I have drawn a picture. It is already of first year, so I have done it. And the case is of cylinder. So plan will be a circle, as you know, and elevation will be a rectangle. And the circle is divided into 8 parts. You can divide it into 4, 8, 12, 16 like that. So I have divided it into 8 parts. Okay. Now question is change of position of solid. So here this cylinder changes its position from normal to 45 degree. 45 degree at HP. So make it clear. It is very simple and so many times I have repeated. So everything should be clear to you. Just I am solving the numerical and you may compare your solution with this solution. It is a practice problem and similar type of problem may be asked in examination. You must do your practice. Very simple, but simply you have to take practice. You do practice. Because concept, there are two things. One is concept, another is drawing time, drawing quality and drawing time. So your quality should be better. For better quality, you must do the practice, and for the saving of the time, your practice should be in running condition, and the lines should be straight parallel to each other. Here all are parallel to each other in cylinder. So just I have repeated same question. In previous questions we have discussed the same method of cone. This is the question of cylinder. Similar type of solutions, same technique will be adopted in different models of cylinder, cone, prism, pyramid, like that. So as you know, it will be elliptical one, and here you may do the naming. So this is the final figure by change of position of solid. Okay. Now, case B, object will remain constant and the reference line will change. So in place of these two figures, there will be only one figure because here reference line changes. So this BP will be useful in that case also. Okay. So now, as per the question, the axis makes 45 degree to HP. Axis makes 45 degree to HP, or you can say the HP is 45 degree to axis. So here we are assuming that the object is same, is in normal position, and our reference plane, that is HP, is rotated at an angle of 45 degree from reference line, from the axis, and these lines are parallel. So we take an angle of 45 degree either in this side or in this side. Draw a line like this. Draw perpendicular lines upon this reference line. So you have to plot all these figures, and it should come to me as early as possible, so that if there will be any confusion or in practice, I will be able to control or guide. So this is the position. So these lines are parallel to each other, and this is the, on this line, these lines are perpendiculars. Now keep this distance. This distance, say it is x1. Again I am repeating, from xy, this 1 is at a distance of x1, and this is the reference line, this is the generator line. So on this generator line, this distance is cut from this point to this point. This is x1. Okay, again I am repeating, 1 to this reference line, to 1. So this distance is copied here. Similarly, this distance will be copied on the projector of this, like this. So it will be 2, 3, similarly 4, similarly 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? And join all these. Though I have plotted, due to the less of space, it will be, I have shown it smaller, but it will be of the same dimension. Mind it, like this, it will be of the same dimension. Just I have plotted the concept. Similarly, in this figure, here it is the distance of 9 also. This distance is 9. So here it will be 9. Similarly, this will be 10. This will be 11. 12, 13, 14, 15 and 16. And it will be blue lines. And you can join all these. So mind it, its figure, again I am repeating, its figure will be, though it is shorter due to lesser space, but its figure will be just of the same size. So in this way, this figure and this figure will be same. So in this figure, it is simpler one because it is a straight line type, and you can solve. So when problems will be simpler, this method is suitable, or this method may be suitable. But when problem will be complicated, it will be very difficult to draw a single view, single elevation, then it will be more difficult to copy it. So in place of repeating it, we use this formula, this method. Okay? So let's just like example. If you solve a problem of nut, clear? Nut, nut is a hexagonal body. And inside a nut is nothing but a such type of object in which outer surface is hexagonal and inner surface is a circle, as you know, cylinder. So this is the whole. So you will draw like this, and you will divide it into 8 parts. So there will be 6 and 12. 6 plus 6 plus 8 plus 8. So in this way, total generator lines, the total projectors will be 6 plus 6 plus 8 plus 8. So this one, and in this way, the elevation will be like this. Okay, and you have to draw it. So this one way is a complicated one. Now repetition of this will be more difficult. So in place of repetition of this one, we avoid and we do like this. So only projectors are needed and you can draw it. That's why it is more important for complicated objects. Thank you, as I hope it will be clear to you. Thank you.